I cut all my hair off and dyed it black, and now I look like Lord Farquaad from Shrek. Don't at me. This is why people think I'm so weird. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is that time of year. I mean, not really, it's only August, but to me, as soon as we get past June and July, it's autumn time, it's Halloween time. My favourite time of the year, my time to shine. The Boo jumper is back for another year. It's still going strong. It's my favourite jumper. I wear it all year round. So today I am going to be showing you my first Halloween haul of 2020. I don't have that much stuff yet because obviously it's still August. The shops are only just starting to get stuff in. So I went to Homesense, TKMaxx and Asda. Our Homesense and TKMaxx have been a bit like garbage this year. They've not got much in yet. I'm part of some of like the Halloween UK Facebook groups and I see everyone like posting all of the stuff that's in Homesense and none of it's in my Homesense because it's such a small store we just don't have anything in. It's garbage. But I did manage to pick a few things up. I did get a few non-Halloweeny items as well, so I think I'm going to show you those first just because then we can get them out of the way and move on to the good stuff. The first thing I got is these contact lenses. I mean, I guess they're sort of Halloweeny. They're from a Halloween contact lens shop, but they're just like natural blue contact lenses and I thought I'd wear them today because I don't have any like events that I can wear these to, so I thought I'll wear them in a video because if not I'm gonna get no use out of them and they're a waste. But yeah, the first thing I got was some oil melts. I've bought an oil burner today. I've also got one back here, so I've bought one that's literally just matching of that, but I will show you that in a second. So I bought 8 packs of wax melts. I know that that's a bit extra, but this is the only shop I'm gonna be doing this month until I get paid again, so why not go all out? They didn't have any like pumpkin-y scents, which I was really upset about because as soon as it gets to like August, September, all I want is everything pumpkin scented, but they didn't have anything. Asda is lacking in the Halloween department at the minute. So I got vanilla cupcake flavour, just normal cupcake flavour. I got 3 of the warm apple pie flavour. I thought these were the most autumnal ones that I could find, so I grabbed a few of those. I got coffee cake swirl, which smells... it's kind of spiced as well, so I guess it kind of is autumny. But yeah, I got that one, which is very nice. And then I got cotton candy cloud. I've already had this before, that's why I picked another one up because they're just so delicious. Oh my god, so good. And then the last one I got is jiggle wiggle strawberry, instantly sweet. Oh yes, it smells like strawberry jelly. These ones are made in the USA and I feel like the USA always has stronger scents when it comes to like candles and wax melts. So the next thing I got was actually from Asda. So this is the matching oil burner that I've just got chilling there next to my little witch's altar. I'm starting to study witchcraft, which I'm very excited about, but I know a lot of people think it's a bit strange. But that's my little witchy altar so far. There's not much there. It's just some crystals and some sage and a little spell candle that I'm burning from a spell that I've cast. And then my little oil burner there. I picked this one up because I've got another oil burner which you're balanced on right now, but I hate that both the oil burners don't match on opposite sides of the room, so I wanted to pick another one of these up just to fit the aesthetic of my bedroom. So this was £5 and it's quite big as well, like it's quite like human size. Well, not for me because I've got a planet head, but maybe a small teenager's head. And then you just put the wax in the top and then your little tea light in there and your room smells like coffee swirl cake. The next thing I got was just some more tea lights. These are just in sweet vanilla. This is just for my wax burners. These are really cheap. They were only £2 for like 50 of them, so a bit of a bargain. And then also from TKMaxx I got some more of the coffee syrup. It's the skinny syrups one. They didn't have the pumpkin spice and I was so upset about it because I was like, surely they've got it in. This is the only shop and Homesense that have got Halloween stuff in. Why do they not have the pumpkin spice coffee syrup in? That's what everyone's after. So unless people have been in and bought it already. But so these were £3.99 each and I just got the iced cinnamon roll flavour and the glazed donut flavour. I did go in there hoping that they'd have the pumpkin spice and they didn't, but I've run out of coffee syrup now and I love my iced coffee, so I just got 2 flavours that I'd already tried and knew that I liked, so I picked those up. And then the last non-Halloween related item, I mean, see, they sell these all year round, but it is quite an autumny scent. So this is just an Eco Wicks candle, Lakeside s'mores flavour. And this smells exactly like Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. And the scent's quite strong in these as well. So this was £5 and it's got the wood crackling wick, so it makes like a wood crackling noise like an open fire. I hope you can hear this when I light it. which is very autumnal in my opinion, so I picked that up. Before we go into the Homesense haul, I just wanted to show you two little bits that I've got that were just from random places. So the first thing I got from eBay was 31 by Rob Zombie. This is one of my favourite horror films, but this is the uncut edition, so I'm hoping it's got like extras in it. But yeah, that was just from eBay, and that was like £8, so I'll have to double check. And then this next thing, my mum actually picked me up when she went on holiday a few weeks ago. They just went to like the seaside, but it's a little spider brooch, and it's got like a blue abdomen and head, and then like diamante legs, and I just thought it was very cute, so I can wear this around Halloween. There he is, just chilling in Cedar Rapids. So now onto the Homesense haul. I got a very heavy bag. I was actually quite good this year. Like I said before, they didn't have a lot of stuff in, but some of the stuff in like I really liked. But it was all just like decorative items, and I'm trying to like steer away from like the cheesy Halloween decor. So I'm gonna go back down there in a few weeks and see what else they've got in, and then probably pick a few things up then. But today there wasn't really anything that like caught my eye, so I was very good at not picking any decorative items up. However, I did still end up spending a lot of money because there was just a few things in there that I had to get. So the first thing I got from Homesense is just this insulated bottle. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it properly because of the light. So this was £8, and you can put hot and cold drinks in this, so it keeps cold drinks cold for like 12 hours and then hot drinks hot for like 8 hours, I think. But these are good for like on the really cold autumny days, and you can put like a little hot coffee in there, or a hot chocolate, or cheeky chai tea latte, which is my go-to. This was £8, so it was quite pricey, but I just really like the pattern on it. It's like a bunch of holographic spider webs. So the next few things I bought, these were actually like a purchase for my future home. I'm hopefully gonna have bought a house by the beginning of next year if everything goes to plan. That's why I'm not spending a lot of money on the cheesy Halloween items, because that's all going towards my household. But I ended up buying 4 of these, and they're all different. So these are little Halloween themed glasses. They're made out of glass. So this one says All Hallows Apothecary Co, and then in the middle it just says Extra Strength Witch's Grade Elixir. This one says Arsenic Poisoning, Deadly Hollow Druggist Salem.ma, and then it's got a little skull and bones, no antidote, use only as directed. So it's like a cute little poison glass. The next one says Bat's Blood Brand, Genuine Venom, bottled exclusively under a full moon, and then it's got a little bat on the top. And the last one just says Potion number 13 for spells and brews, caution, high potency mixture, do not shake bottle. I mean, it's not a bottle, it's a glass, but I just thought they were really cute for like in my kitchen when I finally buy a house. So I was doing so well the whole way through Homesense, and then we got to the candle section. They had all of the autumnal candles in, and I just fell apart. I ended up buying 6 candles. They're all like sort of similarly themed, but they have like a different scent, a little differentiating factor. So the first one I got is pumpkin butter. This is one of my favourite ones that I picked up today. This is just unreal. It smells, how can I describe how it smells? It smells like pumpkin-y cookie dough, raw cookie dough. Oh my god, it's just delicious. And that was £5.99. I then got caramel pecan, always a good scent to go for. Anything with pecans and caramel, I'm there. Oh my god. Why are autumn scented candles always the best candles? I don't understand. I mean, I do. Autumn's the best time of year, so. And that one was £5.99. The next one I got is pumpkin sugar. There's a theme here, pumpkins, obviously. And this one's a little bit, it reminds me of something. I don't know what it reminds me of. This one's not as sweet as the other ones, which I kind of like. I don't know what it reminds me of. It's definitely got like a hint of pumpkin in there, but there's something else in there that reminds me of like a food, and I don't know what it is, and it's stressing me out. But yeah, this one has the wooden wick as well, which I love because it makes the little crackle sound, which is very autumnal. And that one was £6.99. The next one I got is just a classic pumpkin spice. This one's a little bit bigger. Oh my god. Now that is just like pure pumpkin and cinnamon, the most autumnal of scents. And that one was £9.99. And then the last two I got bigger ones, just like 2-3 wick ones. So this one is pumpkin pie. Oh my god. I can't deal with how good it smells. Like, it makes you want to eat it. It smells so good. That one is delicious. That one was £7.99. And then this one is probably the biggest one I got. It's quite large. This one is maple pumpkin. Oh my god. This one smells like pumpkin in maple syrup. Delicious. I also love the jar of this one because the lid says Hello Autumn, and then it's got like the plaid flannel sort of design on the top. I just think it's very cute. And that one was £13.99. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all I got today. Considering how much money I spent, it's not actually that much stuff. Sorry, bank account. But yeah, as I said in the beginning, obviously there's not a lot of stuff out yet because it is only August. We've got like 2 months, nearly 3 months till Halloween. So I am going to be going back and checking the stores and buying more things because I want a lot of Halloween decor in my room this year. So we will be going back and buying more things. So if you want to see a part 2 of this, make sure to let me know in the comments below. I don't know if this is a video that you guys kind of like. I love doing them because it means I can go out and buy myself things. But obviously just let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this and I'll happily film a part 2 because I do like these videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below and hit the little notifications bell so you know when I upload. Comment below and let me know what your favourite thing about autumn and Halloween is. And I'll be back again next week with another video. Bye guys!